Welcome back, fellas, into this new video of TechExpress. Today I'm going to be showing you how to get started if you wanted to stream your games into the desktop directly to TikTok. If you have access to the TikTok official PC streaming software, which is TikTok Live Studio, this is your step-by-step guide to setting up it and going live. So the most common, easiest ways to make sure you have the TikTok Live Studio installed directly into your PC. You can usually find the download link through your TikTok account's live dashboard. You logged it in using the same TikTok account you used on your phone. This account must have live access enabled by the TikTok, because usually there's an actual setup wizard. When you open the software for the first time, I'm going to click into the option that says download for Windows, and you can see that now it might be appearing directly here, the TikTok Live Studio. So I'm going to head over for the TikTok Live Studio, which in this case here it is. Let's say I'm going to go for yes. I close this element, and since this account has now common all the basic how you can get started with the requirements, I just sign in. Now you might be asking, what are the requirements for the TikTok Live? Basically, there is an actual minimum age, which is 16 years old, and 18 if you wanted to monetize it. There's a minimum number of followers, typically around 100, when in this case now I have run in testing 300 and 500, but now I have 1000 even in here. So account with no active restrictions, there should be no restrictions to your account, and the good algorithm comma. Healthy interaction, relevant content, and all of this. So here is the TikTok Live Studio that is going to be downloaded directly in them. Now to head over or into continue here directly for the TikTok Live Studio, it might be needing to download a few elements through your PC in order to continue. Here is, for example, a brief introduction of the main interface to your Live Studios. Into this left section, you can see that here is the sixth element, where you have the data that allows you to monitor changes into your system during your life, such as how many people are directly in the goals that you set it up so far. You can now use the spark of the TikTok of the artificial intelligence, and directly here into the number one element you can see the scenes. It seems let's say for example you wanted to make a transition between one scene into another one. Let's say that scene number one is only yourself into the first plane, but scene number two, let's say that you are into the right corner and the whole page or the whole section is an actual gaming or video game, whatever. This is what you can call changed other sources, other different scenes, change from landscape to portrait scene, and see how it actually looks. Directly here into the number two is like a preview of how it should be appearing, how it should be looking your TikTok Live, how many people are directly in there, how many topics. Here is a preview of what you're going to be seeing here, and if you want to, if you reset that, you can record what's cracking, what's happening directly into the Live Studio. Now into the right section you have the live data, such as how many diamonds you have received, how many gifters, how many followers, how many total videos views, and how many new subscribers from this specific live. And here into the live chat, in order to check out how many what everybody is telling about this live, it should be appearing directly in here. Number 5, directly in here you can monitor everything about how it sounds, your microphone, adding elements, and the gear of it. And here you can have the button of the go live when everything is been set up and ready. Now the button number 6, which is directly in here, and the button number 7. The button number 7, which you can track out how it actually runs your computer, such as the CPU, the memory, the uploads, the frame drops, encoder, and the frames per second of all your actual live support. This is what you might be taking up to 30 minutes in order to set everything up correctly, right? So to setting up the TikTok Live details, you should be appearing in there. So you needed to set your stream details, finding the panel for the live details, whether an engaging title, take a moment to check any order live tools, TikTok offers, effects, post, boost, interactions, and you go live. So when you are ready, of course, you can do a final check of your audio mixer to make sure your game sound and mic volume are balanced. When you are ready to hit to the go live button, you are now streaming directly to the TikTok or your PC. So good luck to your stream, because everything is now been set up correctly. So Lastly, what I might be telling you is that the TikTok Live Studio, yes, it might be taking up to 600 megabytes in order to download into your PC, but basically it actually really be really worthy, because this is like the most easiest and stable way to go live into through, of course, TikTok. So you can see that here this display capture are the elements that I just told you before. You can add game capture, window capture, you can cast to your phones, you can use another camera, a capture card, add an image, text, video, goals, leaderboards, alerts, chatbots, and so much more elements. So basically you can set it up, for example, more cast from more than just an actual phone. And here into the alert and the layout, this is like a preview of how it's actually going to be looking your TikTok elements, such as layer number 1, layer number 2, adding the parist, alert duration. You can set it up your own chatbots, which I think is going to be really useful. Set it up correctly. You can add countdowns. Here are some more live toast, and basically that will be actually it. So hopefully guys, it was a very useful information for you. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to the channel. If you wanted to see more great elements of how you can actually set it up, some really great settings for TikTok Live Studio, remember that you can check out how it actually looks your live with your own phone device when you have finished setting up everything correctly. So thank you so much for watching the video guys. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe, and see you next time.